Good morning. Welcome back to Cleaning is My Therapy. My name is Jamie, and you guys might see me singing and dancing around in the video. I am just trying to get through this cleaning and get through the day. It has been so nasty, and it's finally gotten cold, so it has been cold outside, and I just was not in the mood, but I needed to get things done, so I'm just going to sing and dance my way through it. And the dogs drug in a little bit of mud on their feet. So there was some on my couch. So I just took a wet rag and wiped it down on both of the gray couches. Those are the couches they really get on the most. They don't get on my tan couch hardly. And I'm just going in with the Tide deodorizer, disinfectant, fabric spray. It smells so good, and I just spray all the pillows and the couches, and I even spray my curtains with it, and I think I sprayed the stockings as well. But I'm just going to get the couch vacuumed just to get all the dog hair off of them and try and just get everything done.
It's not a under neon bright lights when I see you dancing on the Polaroids. Just wanna have a good time, don't you? It all goes low, low, low. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. There's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, 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 yeah. Dressed in cigarette smoke, is it the print you wanna leave behind? Get all those cold eyes cold looking, but saying bye, bye, bye.
So once I get this TV stand wiped down, I'm going to pull it away from the wall, and the mound of dog hair that's back there is crazy. I haven't moved this from the wall in a while, and when I moved the couches and vacuumed underneath there, I just forgot all about moving the TV stand. So I really just wanted to make sure I got it moved so I can get everything vacuumed out and just get it clean, because it was really bad. And are you guys ready for Christmas? I'm almost ready. I still need to go pick up a couple of things for my husband, but I was pulling everything out from beneath the tree just to make sure I had the same amount of gifts for the kids. And I was so worried that our son wasn't going to do well for Christmas this year, because I just really didn't know what to get him. So I was just like, I needed to make sure I didn't need to go and get him anymore. But it turned out my daughter was the one that was short on the gifts. And so she was like 3 short, but I found 2 of them in the closet. So I knew I had more for her. So now I just got to go and get one more thing and finish up Christmas for my husband. Then I am done.
I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. There's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, 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 yeah. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Was it hot for you, baby love? Hot for you, baby love? Hot for you, baby love?
And right here, I'm just showing y'all, I am getting the Shark vacuum going, and I am loving that thing. I really didn't think I was going to like it as much as I do, but it has a tank on the back of the docking station, and it empties itself, and I have been loving this. It really helps me stay on top of all the dog hair because I can't vacuum every single day. I mean, I get busy and I've got other things to do, so vacuuming sometimes don't get done every day. So with that, it helps me stay on top of it. And right here, I'm just taking one of the wallflowers from Bath and Body Works. This one is the scent is Vampire Blood. This was left over from Halloween. It was one of my favorite scents, so I stocked up. But I just take that little filter out of it and pour a little bit in my old diffuser with some water, and my house smells so good for hours. And when people walk in, they always tell me how good my house smells and you don't smell the animals. That is what I use to make it smell really good. So now I've gotten moved on into the office, and I'm getting this coat rack emptied. We had a bunch of jackets sitting on there that we're not wearing right now. So I wanted to get all those pulled off and get what we are using put up. And then like all the dogs, their harness and leashes, and Valkyrie right there she just thinks that she's going for a walk. She's just ready to go now, because you will see her go back and forth a couple of times, touching the leash, looking at it, because she's just ready to go. And things have just been put in here and just set down and just forgot about. So it was just time to get this office space cleaned up and get it back together.
Right now I'm standing in the corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh, everybody's singing, oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you. Just say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me going, oh. You got me going, oh. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you.
So now it is the next day, and I am getting moved on into this bedroom and getting it tackled. I had some bath bombs. I need to get those put away. I haven't tackled the bathroom yet. I will probably start that in like another video. Probably my next week video, I will tackle that bathroom. And my closet. My closet is something else, you guys. It is terrible. But the bathroom, I just need to like restock things in there. But as far as the bath bombs, at Christmas, I always buy like those big gift sets of bath bombs. It's just cheaper that way. And then I just fill up my jar and I have bath bombs for a little while, pretty much throughout the year, because I usually get like 2 boxes of those. And I don't use them every time I take a bath, so.
On the run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road to end. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. In the heat from my hot California, I forgot how you looked like in rain. That's why I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road to end. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights.
And I am using the glass cleaner I found at the Dollar Tree. That stuff actually works really good. I love it. But my makeup table was so dusty. I have not dusted it in like forever. I hadn't wiped it down in a while. So it was well overdue. I do need to find some organizers to put in here so I can get my makeup organized a lot better than what it is. It's just kind of in there. I have some needles and thread and buttons for my husband's uniforms. I just stuck those right there just so I wouldn't lose them, and I remember where they're at because I don't forget with it being a see-through top. But I'm just going to get all this stuff organized and just put back up.
Keep on driving and driving.
And those 2 signs on my bed, I was going to put them up, but I really didn't know where I wanted to put them. But then I don't know if I even want to put them up in my room. So I want to have some pictures printed off that I can hang on each side of my bed. And then there was a sign I want to make for the center of like right above my headboard, and then I want to put like 2 different pictures of, you know, me and my husband. I want to do like our wedding picture on one side, and then like a picture of us now, and then with this cute sign I want to make to go over the headboard. I think that would just be really cute. So I've just got so many ideas just running through my head, and I'm just waiting to get past Christmas and starting the new year.
about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If nothing else, it at least found me entertaining. I hope you guys have a wonderful Christmas, and I hope you guys have a good Tuesday, and I will talk to you guys next week. Bye.